God and to our prosperity, to our protection, to good governance and prosperity of our state, if our state, and blessing to our country, Nigeria, I do declare that you are already in the year 2025. In the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Praise the Lord. Let me invite His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, to bring to us the New Year message. A Happy New Year. I want to make a song. Only one song. I'm not going to say anything today. The biro is still filled. Woo! Let's take this song. At the mention of your name. At the mention of your name. Every knee must bow. At the mention of your name. Every tongue confess. You are God. You are God. Oh, we must say you are God. You are King. You are King. In the Bible. You are God. Yeah. At the mention of your name. Yeah. Every knee must bow. At the mention of your name. Every tongue confess. Say you are God. You are God. You must say you are God of God. You are King. You are King. Oh, you must say you are King of Kings. Oh, at the mention of your name. For the year of our Lord 2025. At the mention of the name of the Lord, every plan of the enemy will continue to pass. I wish you all a prosperous year of our Lord 2025. Thank you and God bless you all.
You be faithful, God, from the head to the source. That is why your name is forever. Oh, Radical for Jesus. Oh, Radical for Jesus. Presents to you. These are friends we made. One was to congratulate you at the Supreme Court's victory. But we have not had time to do that. We cannot take it away. Congratulations must continue. Because 2025 is a year of total victory. So we give you this for congratulations. We saw this, and we see a man who is focused in what he is doing. And we know that 2025 will be, will be greater in all your achievements and the way you are focused. We have heard of your budget, meaning that it is a budget of focus, and you will achieve it. So on behalf of your church, we also give you this. You won't go. Can you please walk to the altar?
Our Father and our God, what a great God we serve. Today, O God Almighty, is the first day in the first month of the year 2025.